Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So before we get started, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about easiest ways to make money online, so make sure to watch the full video. 1. Pick up freelance work online. Make money online through websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, and freelancer.com. These sites offer opportunities to do a variety of freelance jobs, such as writing, programming, design, marketing, data entry, and being a virtual assistant. Fluent in a second language? Check sites such as Django or Blend Express, or drum up business through a site of your own. No matter what freelancing you do, keep track of the going rate for the kind of work you provide so you know if you're charging too much or too little. It can take a while to get your first gig. You can set up your profile in 24 hours, and it is very easy to start if you have the expertise. How fast you'll get paid depends on the site you choose. 2. Test websites and apps. Another way to make money from home is on sites like usertesting.com. You get paid for your thoughts on how well or not so well certain websites and apps work. You'll have to complete a short test to be accepted. Then you'll be paid depending on the test type. Usertesting.com does not disclose an exact amount. Approval time can vary, and your profile can be set up in less than an hour. It is very easy to start if you have the tech gear and complete a sample test. You'll start to get paid in 7 days. 3. Pick up tasks on Amazon's Mechanical Turk. Even in the age of automation, some jobs still require a human touch. Companies often outsource those jobs via services like Amazon's Mechanical Turk. As a worker, the tasks you'll be assigned can be tedious tagging images, transcribing videos, and classifying receipts, and can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours. Temporary employers or requesters set the price for each task and get to approve the finished product before paying you. How fast you'll get paid? You get paid following work approval, which can take up to 30 days. 4. Take surveys for money. You can make money from home by taking online surveys, but don't expect to be rolling in the dough. Survey sites don't typically offer a big payoff, and many sites are more useful for earning gift cards than cash. Some of the more popular survey sites include Swagbucks and Survey Junkie. Read our analysis of survey sites to find out which one is best suited for you. How fast you'll get paid depends on the site. 5. Make money from your blog as an affiliate. If you're a blogger who gets decent traffic, you could make money by joining an affiliate network. Affiliates, that's you. Get paid when someone clicks through from the website to the partner site and buys something there. Some bloggers make a lot of money this way. It can take quite a while to build an audience. With blog templates, building a site is easy. Starting is not that difficult. Creating regular content may be another matter. You'll get paid in a month or 2, on average. 6. Sell your wares on Etsy. Have a penchant for woodworking, jewelry making, embroidery, or pottery? Sell your goods on Etsy, the go-to site for artisans selling home goods, art, and knickknacks. Etsy boasted about 96 million active buyers and grossed over $13.5 billion in merchandise sales in 2021. According to data from Statista. It might take quite a while for customers to find you. You'll get paid from the next day to 7 days after a sale. 7. Get advertising revenue from your blog or YouTube channel. Turn your cat videos into cached videos. If your YouTube videos or blog posts draw a big audience, you may be able to make money from advertising. YouTube sets 1,000 subscribers as the benchmark creators must make before applying for the YouTube Partners program. YouTube Partners then get access to Google AdSense. Service businesses pay through to advertise around your content. The service is free, but there are requirements you must meet. Read more about how to make money on YouTube and Google AdSense. It can take several weeks to get up and running. Getting paid could take a long while to earn the first payout, then monthly. 8. Become an Instagram influencer. Companies are using Instagram influencers and people with large, dedicated followings on the platform to represent their products. You can get in on the action by applying for opportunities via a marketing platform like OpenInfluence or Aspire, or by contacting the brands you want to work with. You can also make money on TikTok this way. How fast you'll get paid depends on partnerships. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.